Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. I had an opportunity to interview James Derry. James is the branch manager of the new location that we now have open in the Lafayette, Georgia area. We're servicing everywhere from northern Atlanta all the way up through Chattanooga from this location. And what we wanted to talk to you about today is one of the biggest mistakes that homeowners make whenever they encapsulate their crawl space or even waterproof their basement is the maintenance after the job is done. So take a listen to what James has to share about this information. And also, if you'd like to watch the video in its entirety, I'm going to put a link to that as well.
The gentleman's been with us for quite some time. He's serviced it with us since he put the system in.
Yep, that's another good point. Tell us about the maintenance that somebody may want to do whenever they get their crawl space encapsulated.
So one of the number one things I see when I go back to people's houses, if they're having a problem, is that their dehu's has not been maintenance, has not been serviced. The condensate pump has never been cleaned out. So what happens is those rubber lines coming out of it that are feeding the water out end up clogged and they get hardened, and nothing else is going to pass through them. The condensate pump quits working. The dehumidifier starts dumping the water out on the floor. Eventually, that starts backing up to where it goes back into the dehumidifier. And next thing you know, we get the phone call, my dehumidifier is not working. Dehumidifiers are pieces of mechanical equipment. It's just like a furnace in your home. They require service. Every 6 months, they require a filter change and they require pan treat put into our actual condensate pump. What that does is that pan treat actually cleans everything out of that condensate pump and flushes it through as it flushes out. So it keeps those lines clean. It keeps them fresh so that the water continues to move freely through there. It also keeps that water from backing up into the dehumidifier. Obviously, a dirty filter means you get less airflow. Less airflow in time is going to absolutely break the machine. When we buy a car, we maintain. You spend $20,000 on a car, and you put it through maintenance. You change the oil. You spend $20,000 on your crawl space, we forget about it. Got to maintain it.
Yeah, I think it's a good point. The homeowner can, of course, maintenance it themselves. Hey there, Michael Church, founder of Crawl Space Ninja. Do you have a crawl space or a basement, or perhaps your home is suffering from some type of indoor air quality issue? I want to encourage you to check out my book, Crawl Space Repair Myths Busted, available on Amazon. This is a great book for any homeowner that is concerned about indoor air quality, mold, moisture. Whether you're on a crawl space or a basement or a slab-built house, this is a great book, great information. I encourage you to check it out. Again, the name of the book is Crawl Space Repair Myths Busted, now available on Amazon.
Sure.
But if they get on Crawl Space Ninja's maintenance program, not only do we take care of it for them so they don't have to go in the crawl space, we're going to do a corner-to-corner inspection, and we extend the warranty of the dehumidifier and the sump pump or whatever it is we're maintaining down there. So you can have a lifetime dehumidifier warranty on our crawl space maintenance program. Imagine if you bought a car and when you took it to the dealership and you paid them to change the oil and they gave you a lifetime warranty on the car. I don't think people would be selling their cars if they had a lifetime warranty on the car very often. So anyway, it's a great program that we have. And like you said, that filter, if you don't change it out, it's like sucking peanut butter through a straw eventually.
Right.
And that dehumidifier fan will mess up, just like your HVAC fan. If you leave that furnace filter in there and it starts to cave in because you've not changed it, that HVAC fan can burn up and the dehumidifier fan can burn up. So great information, James. I appreciate you sharing that.
Absolutely. Well, and like you said, with that lifetime warranty, where else are you going to find somebody that's going to warranty a piece of equipment that we know is going to eventually have to be replaced?
Yeah. It's a great warranty, I tell you. We hope this was great information for you all. Please comment below if you have any questions about maintaining your dehumidifier or your crawl space. And I'm Michael Church here with Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.